Get in the pit,
Big glocks on that bitch in the party and shit. See an art now, he getting body. Fast leak through a fuck nigga body. 2, 2, 3, hit him up, fuck out the bar. Burn him off, my gang, yeah, we catch your bodies. My nigga sour with a stick, that's a shot. My partner, hurry, yeah, I'm on my bar.
Alright, vlog. Hold on. Car. Oh. Even though, still, shit, a drop. Shit, where'd it go? I dropped my black, y'all. Alright, boom, we back. Like I was trying to say, I apologize for the lighting, man. I know this. I know this ain't what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? But we lit up today, man. We lit up today. We got man. We got a couple of little shit planned. You know what I'm saying? First thing first, y'all fuck with that double upload I did? Cause I know for a fact. I hope I did a double upload before this vid. I don't know yet. At this point in time, because I already got one vid done, but I didn't do the other vid. It was too long. Pause. But I'm gonna try to edit that tonight. I'm gonna try to edit this. I'm gonna try to start on this vid tonight. I had uploaded at least by Wednesday, Thursday. I don't know. But y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned, cause we deep tonight. It's finna be a movie. Good gas finna be in the air. I'm about to go around acting a fool. I hope y'all enjoy this vid, bro, cause we lit up tonight. And y'all don't really see me on my lit days, cause I be forgetting to record. But I'm recording tonight, so yeah, stay tuned. That was good. Alright, got you. Yeah, as y'all can see, hold on, let it. Yeah.
I just seen a nigga in the M3.
There's some shits out here. Ain't gonna lie.
I'm about to go and roll up though. No bullshit. Go and get Jay right with the tray it.
You want a big one? Ain't gonna lie, this shit kinda looking a little.
How to whip on down just a little bit.
This shit kinda looking a little
Nah, I seen the R.
But this just to chill. This just to chill, you know.
I seen the R7 though, so
yeah, we just chilling. We gonna do I'm gonna try to do a good walk around once we get deep. Cause I don't wanna do nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna do that. So we gonna wait till the guys get here. And yeah. Oh, we about to be so fucking deep. I should low-key post outside.
Right there.
Yeah, nah. I'm about to post outside the whole time. Just so when the guys push up, they know it's me. No,
it's another crew pulling up.
It's too many dick bitches.
That shit hard.
Okay, that's the BMW. Okay, we got what's that, Volkswagen?
All these is BMWs, bro.
Oh yeah, that is BMW.
You see the Mercedes, the E63?
They came with the big body. One of these niggas got their father's car. Or their mother car.
M3, another M3?
Gappist. Hey, the license plates is crazy.
Nah, cause these got crews from all over the state.
From all over the state, bro. We in P-Town.
P-Town with that shit, bro.
We in P-Town, bro. This shit, niggas don't even know where to park at no more. But it's just like I was saying, bro. It's just a chill spot.
You know I'm a lot for the perfect parking spots, bro.
Yeah, like we just chilling. Look, BMW out the BMW out the BMW. Oh, they got the Golf? They got a Golf out here? Oh, we gotta tune into this Golf later. We gotta tune into the Golf later. Oh my God, niggas don't even know about that. BMW. Yeah, it's hella BMWs.
It's roll ass.
You say it's ass?
Yeah,
This Infinity?
No, that's a
Toyota. Yeah,
Can I be in your video?
Yeah, you can be in the video.
Okay. He got the whole outfit.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Gang,
Bitch swiping this bitch.
there you go.
Bitch swiping this
Ugly
bitch.
dude.
Oh, hold on. Hand arrest. I seen it, look.
I'm gonna say what he pointing to.
Watch out, put it in camera.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
These niggas motherfuckers, man, this a big flaw. Don't even worry about it. I'm about to make these niggas participate. No. We got games in the camp. I'm about to make these niggas participate. No bullshit.
Chop
Chop it off the apple. You wanna follow me, right? Let go of the apple. Lit shit going on. There you go. Look. What? That is slow as shit. Alright, y'all.
The next shit Cook Boulevard.
It's where?
Cook Boulevard.
I ain't even see it. I ain't even get a chance to go look it up.
It should be.
But alright, y'all see I'm with a whole different group cause them niggas wanted to leave me. Kel had a good reason. Everybody else was just scared, bruh. Niggas weren't gonna do shit, bruh. Not like that. It wasn't like that before. I should never even said that, huh?
I don't even know what the hell happened earlier, so.
12 was over there earlier. They was posted.
Oh yeah, I did see them earlier posting.
But I'm like, bruh, it's like niggas can be here though type shit. So anyway,
Yeah.
it was a lot going on at the time. I could have been recording that shit that was going. Hey, shit did start getting lit. But you feel me? It was just.
Yeah, like,
Let me test the waters first before I bring the camera. Well, I should have though. I ain't gonna lie. But we about to go get some eats, bruh.
what?
Yeah, we about to get some eats, right? Or we headed straight there?
I was gonna go straight. Yeah, I didn't even know you was hungry.
I'm not, but I thought you were hungry.
I ate some fucking. Oh yeah, I ate.
But this nigga lying hard
It
as
was
fuck
for
for the
Mario pulled
vlog.
I swear.
Ain't fuck that. He lying hard as fuck for the vlog, bro. Nigga know he hungry.
I'm sorry, vlog, for this. Oh shit, that's the police. You might gotta turn it off.
But shit, we just going. I'ma just cut it.
Police were sitting right there the whole time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like they chilling, bro. 12 right there the whole time. Like anyway, and all that other shit don't matter. I'ma cut it here because I know y'all tired of that beeping, and I know he gonna get some food, bro. I know this nigga about to get some food, so I'm just tap in when we at the the spot, whatever.
Then I keep
Rock
that
my
mouth
book
stuck
bag
to me
like
like a man.
these.
Leave my dreams to check I'm do. I said, you know what I do?
freaking
I still
that
gonna
road,
see my
bro,
grandma when I
bro,
get time to. She said, I'm praying for you, baby. Don't let them two pop you. I'm not concerned about.
Damn. And you parked back first.
That nigga walked it out to the street though. That shit was crazy as hell. You gotta get in the pit,
Slap that shit a couple times. Oh, y'all, he back out. This is the first. Show me something, old head. Show me something, old head. Old head time. I'm trying to tell you, cause that's good.
We started whipping that shit though. Tired. That was the right one too. That was fat. Look. Yeah. Oh no, it might be the ass. Bro, don't do that, bro.
Yeah, he did.
Like that.
Know the bad shit, T. Know this shit, T. Okay. Alright, bro. Bro, I thought that nigga was about to come on here. What's the 5'7"? Daytona.
Yeah. Waiting there for about 45 minutes, bro.
Oh, God. All these niggas got lasers.
What's going on?
Okay. Where you going? He said he ain't got a tire, that's why. He said he ain't got a tire. Yeah, his tire about to be bald as hell. I can see. Bro about to drive him on flat. That shit is not the move. And that's a I'm not driving 3 hours on flat.
Nigga started migrating. definitely get low. That could definitely get low. Oh my God, you one of these niggas. Yeah. Last spot, 12 rated. You see they getting lit early. You ready to pop out? Hey, cuz I was in that shit talking about something. Hey, yo. Hey, bruh, 12 kept pulling up, bruh. They were making a block. Too hot. Right, twin?
Oh, damn right. Yeah, 12, so pull it up.
Yeah, bro. 12 started pulling up, bro, so we just said, fuck it, skedaddle back to the hideout. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try to get some clips in there. Like, some people send me some clips and shit. I mean, yeah, like now type shit. And I'm gonna try to put them in there. And goddamn, yeah, hope y'all enjoy the little meet. I'm gonna try to record another one, bro. No cap. I got a little trick secret now. No bullshit that I found out that I could do. That now I'm gonna start doing. So yeah. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Almost forgot subscribe, but make sure you share it too, cause that's what I was gonna say. No cap. Y'all probably thinking like, damn, this nigga do not match. First off, I do. You know what I'm saying? It was jacket. Jacket got green, yellow in it, and then my shoe. I don't gotta explain my outfit. You just know this shit will flee for time about polo. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Polo hat. Anyway, I'm going, bro. Like I said, make sure you subscribe. Tell them subscribe, bro. Tell them subscribe, bro.
Subscribe
This nigga burn.
to the channel.
I'll go.